How to fix Redmi Note 7 Wi-Fi and hotspot problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix Redmi Note 7 Wi-Fi and hotspot problem. So guys, if you are having Wi-Fi and hotspot connection problem on your Redmi Note 7, then guys, how you can fix this problem, I'm going to tell you the solution for this problem. Okay, so if you want to know the solution or if you want to fix your problem, then you have to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, as I have already told you that how you can fix your Redmi Note 7 Wi-Fi and hotspot problem. Okay, so if you are getting this problem, then you have to watch this video till the end to fix your problem. Okay, so firstly you have to go to your phone setting. Okay, go to phone setting, and in the first method guys, I will show you what you have to do here. Okay, so in the first method you have to go to Wi-Fi. Okay, go to Wi-Fi and enable your Wi-Fi from here. Okay, enable your Wi-Fi, and now go to additional setting. As you can see here, additional setting, go to additional setting, and guys click here Wi-Fi assistant. Okay, go to Wi-Fi assistant and enable this button. Okay, enable this button. So guys, what happen is after enabling this button, the Wi-Fi assistant helps you to the Wi-Fi the Wi-Fi assistant helps you to connect with the best network. Okay, so you can enable this setting from here. After enabling this setting, you have to come back here. Okay, or you can go to Wi-Fi direct, and directly you can connect to any device from here if it is already paired or if it is already set in your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so guys, you can do this from Wi-Fi direct also. And now go back. Okay, and now go back, and in the second method guys, what you have to do is you have to go to connection and sharing. As you can see here guys, go to connection and sharing, and what you have to do is you have to go to hotspot. Okay, so go to here and now go to portable hotspot. As you can see here, so click on portable hotspot. Now go to one time data limit. As you can see here, okay, go to one time data limit and disable this setting, because what happen is when we enable this the one time data limit setting, so guys, if your hotspot data limit exceeded, then guys, after exceeded your data limit, your hotspot will stop working. Okay, that's why you have to disable this button. So after disabling it, you have to go back. Okay, you have to go back and you have to do flight mode once. So do flight mode once, and after that you can remove it. Okay, so first you have to do this as well. After doing airplane mode guys, what you have to do is you have to go to more option. Okay, search for more option, or you can go to connection and sharing again. Okay, go to here, and after that scroll down, and you will find here reset Wi-Fi and reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Okay, so click here. So after clicking it, you have to make it reset. Okay, you have to reset your Wi-Fi from here. So click on reset setting, and now guys, you have to give your password. Okay, after giving password, your Wi-Fi will be reset from here. Okay, setting will be reset from here. So you will get the default setting of your company after resetting your setting. Okay, after resetting your Wi-Fi setting. So guys, you have to do this as well. And now go to about phone. Okay, after doing all this solution, go to about phone. So now go to about phone and check your system update. If there is any update available, then you have to update your software version as well. Okay, sometimes the problem comes because of your version as well. So guys, in that case, you have to update your software version. After updating your software version, restart your mobile phone and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Okay, if your problem is fixed now, then guys, your job is done. If your problem is still not fixed, then guys, what you have to do is you have to go to additional setting. So go to additional setting, and you have to reboot your mobile phone. Okay, so I will show you from where you can get your from where you can restore your mobile phone. Okay, so I will show you. So the setting is not here right now, so you have to go to your setting to reset or restore your mobile phone. Okay, I will show you from where you can restore your device. So guys, to restore your device you need to go to about phone. Okay, go to about phone and you can restore your mobile phone from here. Now go to backup and reset. Okay, if your problem is not fixed, then guys you have a last option of restoring your device. Okay, to restore your device you have to click on backup and reset, and now guys from here you can erase all data from your device. Okay, so guys, to reset or restore your device you have to click here erase all data and give your password. After that your device will be reset. Okay, so guys, this is the process to fix your Wi-Fi and hotspot connection. Okay, to fix your Redmi Note 7 Wi-Fi and hotspot connection. So guys, I have told you the many solution to fix your device, so from any solution your problem is going to fix definitely. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.